Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert an image into an email on the new version of Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you should have been migrated to the new version of Microsoft Outlook, which we have on screen. So let's now compile a brand new email by going to the left-hand side navigation menu where we have new email. Once we hover over that, we can either create an email, event, or contact. We are looking to compile a brand new email. And so this email will be sent to, before we do anything, let's now move to another desktop. Take a screenshot of the desktop. Command 3 Shift. That will be saved on the desktop. And this will be the image that we will be adding within our compiled email. So let's move back into Microsoft Outlook. Let's now send this to the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. That's fine. Double click to confirm that we are sending it to the Gmail account. That's fine. Let's now add image into the subject. Let's go within the email to compile a brand new email. Let's just say, Dear CSV, please see the image. Within the email, let's now drag and drop that onto our email. So there is the image, drag and drop. That has now been added within the email. We have to decrease the size of the full email and then decrease the size of the image. Move to a new line. Kind regards. From the admin. That's fine. We can now send this email. That has now been sent. Now let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Enter to open up the application. Go to Gmail. You should now have been sent an email, which I see on screen. Let's click on this. So, image, Dear CSV, please see the image within the email. And there we go. So, we can now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock. Go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.